That's right. It's springtime and I got a special delivery, so let's check and see what's in the box. Oh yeah. Ready? As you can see, right there, you're looking at the Converse 1 star. This is a size 12. You can get them out of the store for $75. So let's open these up real quick. Move some of the stuff away. Paperwork, because we want to get to what matters. Bam. Bam. Check them joints out. This is the suede in red Converse 1 star. These are iconic so many ways, meaning that these shoes at one time, all the Converse was used for basketball, but now you know they're used for a casual look. And I can't say no more about the 1 star, but they are dope. And if you are from the West Coast, these are signature shoes. But the one thing I can say the most about is that they're made for the spring and the summer. And as you can see, these are suede, feels good, looks good. So man, I ain't gonna even trip. I'm ready to put these on and give y'all an on feet. So stay tuned. In the back you see the 1 star Converse logo. At the bottom you see the Converse All-Star logo. And just give me a second. I'm about to do an on feet. I'm not gonna even wait. Like this video, leave your comments, subscribe.